tasty.Without, and today I'm going to show you how to make egg puffs. Now I'm going on to the tutorial for homemade egg puffs. And for now I'm using 2 cup maida flour. Then I'm going to add salt to it, just a teaspoon of salt. Then I'm going to add butter to it, 1 to 2 spoons, like that much. Then I'm going to add lemon to it, half lemon. I've added lemon, butter and salt. Now I'm going to mix it well. Now I'm going to add egg to it, 1 egg. Now I have to mix this well, mix this to a fine, and mixing it to fine mixture. I mix this well. Now I'm going to add a half glass of water to it. Then mix it suddenly well, so that it mixes quite good. Keep a bit of water separate, then add it at the end after mixing a bit. Yeah, like that. Or else the water will get stuck. And make it a dough after mixing it again and again, and finally it'll turn. And for those who know to make chapati, you should have more water than chapati, so it's more softer, so that it comes layer by layer while taking it out. And mix it well. This dough is nicely mixed and it is really soft than chapati. Then you should mix it fine so that it'll turn to a nice dough. And mix it like that. It's nearly done. Now I'm going to close it and keep it for about 20 minutes. Then after that, I'll take it again after doing the other things. Let it rest for. And during this 20 minutes, let's make the masala to put inside this. So everyone, now we are on to the masala making. So I have 3 medium-sized onion, 2 green chilies, then we have 3 to 4 pieces of garlic from 1 garlic, then we have small piece ginger. Then if you want, the onion can be sliced like this, as you can see, but I don't like it that way, that's why I made it sliced so small. Then we have our curl leaves. So we're going to add these to the oil. And first of all, now I'm going to add oil to it, just for the onions. Then I'm going to add onions to it. As you see, now I'm going to mix these onions well until they're golden brown. And this is nearly golden brown, so I'm going to add green chili and garlic and ginger, sliced, chopped finely. Then I'm going to mix this again. Then a bit of curry leaves to it. Then mix it again. Now we should mix it until it's soft and roasted well. Now I'm going to add 1 tomato finely chopped into this onions. Then mix it well again. Now I'm going to add salt to it. Now it's the time for adding masala because it's kind of golden brown in color. First I added salt. Then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon chili powder. Then half teaspoon turmeric powder. Then 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. And if you want more spice, you can add 1.5. Then mix it well. Salt, if you want, you can put it earlier, but I just forgot, so I add it now. We should mix this masala until its raw smell goes out, and it's about 3 to 5 minutes. Let's mix it. Now if you want, you can add half teaspoon garam masala to it. It's not necessary, but if you want, you can add. Then mix it well again. Our masala is ready and I've turned it into another plate. Then our egg is boiled and I've sliced it into halves. Our dough is ready. Well, the masala has been ready, and I've added oil on the top so that I can take it easily out of the bowl. Then I'm going to put it over here and make it into a bowl. Nice soft bowl. Now I should turn into a round figure. Right there, just like that. Now I'm going to sprinkle some maida powder here so that it won't just stick to it directly. Then I'm going to keep this over here. Then I'm going to sprinkle some more on the top. Now I'm going to roll it into a thick one and some more there so that it won't stick to the ground. I'm going to keep it upside down, just like that. Then I'm going to roll it again into a big face. Now I'm going to add a bit of butter to it. Then mix it all on a battered butter to it. Now I'm going to fold it in a shape. Then I'm going to just do that in that exact shape I meant to. Then here I'm going to make it a square, just like that, and the other side too, just like that. So I have the perfect square. Now I'm going to roll it. And before that, I should sprinkle some of these to it. Then as well as on the bottom, so that won't stick to the bottom. Now I'm going to make it a perfect square, right there. Then turning it, then doing that. Now this is almost in the correct shape. Then now I'm going to cut it in the exact shape that you should, as you have this amount of dough. So from the middle half, you should press the knife, then turn, press, then cut it just through the line. Then you have two squares. Then you'll cut it from this line. If you have square here, like that. So I'm just cutting it, pressing the knife, then cutting it. Now I'm going to add this masala to one of them, and this one first on the center. A bit more masala to it. Then I'm going to put the egg. You should put the egg in the same way I should. It should be placed upside down and in this way. Oops. Yeah, just like that. Now after you do that step, then you take this, do just outside it. You take this corner and put it on here. Then you take the opposite corner and put it on the top. Then you take the corner that's less in size and put it on its top to cover that much. Then you take the final corner and put it. And you might see something like this where you can just close it up. Now I'm going to give this beaten egg as the coating to all of them. Then I'm going to put it on cooker and fry it. And for those who have cooker, they can use this method, or other method I'll be showing you by frying it in the air fryer. And this one's nearly ready after cutting. Now why I'm cutting this is because to make it smoother in the outside. Now I'm going to add this to the pressure cooker for about 7 minutes. There, right there. And I've added oil for pressure cooker uses. Oil is really necessary, but only a little, or it will. And rest of them are I'm keeping it in the air fryer right there. And Then I'm going to add all of them. Hi everyone, I tried it and it's ready. As you can see, delicious. And I'm eagerly waiting to eat it. And before that, for your knowledge, in the Corona quarantine time, if you concentrate and you keep in mind on it, you can make this. Instead of going to bakeries and they might have Corona, so this is the best way of making puffs at home. So I recommend you to try this and it's really tasty. So here.